shit.
Look, bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get a holler. Bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get offended. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to daily. Tell him go put my name on that account, because when I need money, I ain't tryna holler. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You already know it's the summertime and we're gonna do some Megan Thee Stallion inspired hot girl summer makeup. I got the bikini and everything to match, so let's go ahead and get into it. First, we're gonna go ahead and go on with our foundation. You already know the dealio. Then we're going to go ahead and go in with our concealer. Honestly, this is like the same thing that I do in most of my makeup tutorials. So, you know, this is just the base. The base is just foundation, eyebrows, concealer. I had just went to Walmart and got these e.l.f. blushes, liquid blush. You guys know, if you've been watching my videos, I have wanted to try blush for so long, liquid blush, but I've been so scared because, like, I don't know, but it's a thing. So I finally went ahead and bought it, and look at me, acting like I'm gonna try makeup all over my face, looking like that. But you guys are gonna see, like, I was not expecting it to be this pigmented. I started freaking out because I'm like, oh my god. And I think I also applied it wrong. I think you're supposed to do blush first, and then you're supposed to go in with your no. I think you're supposed to do concealer first, and then you're supposed to go in blush. I don't know. See, that's how you know I'm new to it, okay? But when you haven't done makeup in as long as I have, you know, it's a learning process, and my look still came out bomb. It just took me forever. It took me forever to blend this blush out because, like, I didn't know what the hell I was doing. It was my first time using liquid blush, and it was way more pigmented than I was expecting, but I love it. Like, I see why people like it. Yeah. Now we're just gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face. I'm just using my Morphe powder. I actually used the wrong powder. I used the Fit Me powder on my face, and I didn't realize it until later when I, like, zoomed in. And we know from previous experience that those two do not mix. But yeah, so I'm going back in with some more blush, and I was freaking out a little bit because I wasn't sure if it was too much, like the cream and the powder. Like, I didn't know if I was feeling it or not, but I like a lot of blush, so I feel like this is still something that I would have done even if I didn't have the cream blush. But I don't know. Do you guys think it's too much? Just let me know. I'm curious. Now you guys are just seeing me contour. Same thing I do. That powder that I used, the brown one, is actually something new that I just bought from Wally World. Yeah, so most of the products in this video are new, because prior to this video I was like, I want to do a summer makeup look, and then I went to Walmart and I saw one Megan Thee Stallion bikini left, and then I was like, bet, we're gonna film a Megan Thee Stallion inspired makeup tutorial. So y'all, when I was on vacation, I was looking everywhere for the Megan Thee Stallion bikini in Walmart, but they were all sold out. I come back to my neighborhood Walmart, and I go in and there's one bikini left, and it's my exact size. But anyways, let's get into this eyeshadow. The first thing that I'm gonna do is go in with that yellow color, and I'm gonna pat. I'm gonna pat first so that we get a lot of pigment, and then we're gonna blend. Then we go in with the orange. For this one, we're going to do the same technique where you pat first and then you blend it. And so I'm going to pat the orange on the outer corner, and then I'm going to blend it inwards into the yellow so we can kind of get that, what is it called? Like a gradient? Is that how you say it? I don't know. And then we continue to build coverage until it gets there. Then we're gonna go in with an orange. So this is like a sunset inspired makeup. So we start with yellow, then we go to like an orange, and then we go into a darker orange, and then like a brown. So yeah, you want it to look like a sunset. So every time we're just patting and building and blending it into the next color so that it kind of gives that sunset kind of vibe. Once I have the outer corners how I want them, I do go back in with that orange, and I'm going to start carrying it more inward to my eye because I do kind of want it to be like a cut crease effect. So I want the inner side, inner piece of my eye to be orange as well. Then I go in with the darkest orange that we're going to be doing. It's like a brown orange, and I'm going to focus it on my crease, like straight up in the crease. We're only putting that in the crease, and we're going to keep applying pressure until we get it as dark as we want it. Clean it up with some more blends. I do blend all the way around just to make sure that there's no harsh lines, so that's why I blend the top. Then we're going to go ahead and add our concealer. This was not completely necessary, honestly, but I just wanted to make sure that it kind of turned out as clean as possible. So I did go ahead and add some concealer just to make those colors pop more. Once the concealer is added, we're going to go in with an orange, and we're going to pat it first. Remember, patting builds coverage, and then we blend it in. And then we're going to go in with yellow in the front. How's that sunset look? So this is me basically telling y'all that I ain't about to do no eyeliner on camera, but I end up doing eyeliner on camera. Because I was like, you know what, I'm gonna be a brave soul. The only reason why I don't like doing eyeliner on camera is because whenever I do eyeliner on camera, it always comes out 10 times thicker than I actually want it. But maybe for this specific makeup look, the thicker liner was good, you know, because it's a very dramatic makeup look. But usually if I want something like very thinly lined around my eyes or something really natural, I'm gonna just do it off camera because I cannot use that tiny mirror. I use a big mirror to do my liner. I then just add some black to my waterline, and then I'm going to take the excess burgundy that was on the brush and I'm going to put it under my waterline as well. Yeah, I'm just showing y'all. For some reason, my eye kept watering in that one spot, and it was messing up my eyeshadow and my eyeliner. Oh, it irked me so bad, okay? Whew. But then we're going to finish up the eyes with some mascara, and then jumping into highlight. I must have been listening to something lit, because I was turned, okay? I was having a good time. Then we're going to hit some lips. I usually don't use a burgundy lip liner, but I felt like it went with this look and it actually turned out good. Usually my go-to is brown. I do not like anything but brown lip liner because red just messes with the color of the lipstick, all types of stuff. Ooh, y'all, I started choking in the middle of that audio. I don't know what happened. But I got these new NYX lip glosses that I bought from Wally World on clearance. The colors were super pigmented and the lip gloss was super thick, so I had to use a brush to blend it out. Y'all, tell me why halfway through me doing the lips, I'm like, what the hell? My lips are burning. And so I'm trying to figure out what the fuck is going on, and it's the lip plumper. It's a lip plumper. Did my lips look bigger? Did my lips look bigger? I just want to know if it actually worked. But alright guys, we are approaching the end of the tutorial. We're finishing up the look. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure that you leave a like and let me know, did it hit? Like, is it not just like the bikini? Y'all are about to see in just a couple seconds, but come on now. Everything just worked out, okay? Period. And also, let me know if you're going to be copping any of the Megan Thee Stallion bikinis. They are super cute. They're super cute, honestly, and very affordable. I was not expecting them to be this bomb. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'll see you guys later.
He know it's very expensive to date me. Tell him go put my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't trying to wait. I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this. Hey, bitch, I do free shit. My money thick. Hey, walk with a limp. say you all about money. Yeah, I'm on that cash shit. I'm in my bag, bitch. I'm on your ass, bitch. I'm in that new shit. You on that last